Imagine a future where your role as a global head of IT goes beyond simply handling day-to-day tasks. With our AI for Global Heads of IT courses from Complete AI Training, you step into a new realm where innovation fuels every decision and every strategy is powered by artificial intelligence. Picture having access to high-quality video training that takes you from the basics of AI to advanced techniques that solve real business challenges. Instead of getting lost in endless theories, you learn practical approaches, real-world examples, and actionable tactics that you can implement immediately. Our courses are updated regularly to deliver the most current AI insights and strategies, ensuring you remain ahead in a rapidly evolving industry. As you master AI-driven techniques, from automating routine operations and streamlining cybersecurity to simplifying complex data analysis, you'll reclaim valuable time that can be invested in guiding your organization forward. This training opens doors for you to confidently anticipate opportunities, drive innovation, and secure your position as a leader in technology. In addition, most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. There is a clear path to transforming your skill set, from managing systems to leading transformative AI initiatives. If you are ready to unlock the true potential of artificial intelligence in your role, you can find all AI for Global Heads of IT training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.